On this slide, we're going to share with you the GSBA GLSI strategic planning process. You see the pyramid here. If you look over on the left, you'll see we indicate in green phase 1. That's level 1, 2, and 3. That's the work GLSI and GSBA does, all the way up to the board approving the strategic plan, the GSBA GLSI work, level 1, 2, and 3. Then far left in orange, you see phase 2 after the dotted line. That's the work that the staff and the school district does relative to initiatives and action steps to make sure that the plan is finalized. We mentioned earlier in the introductory slide to the GSBA GLSI process that the key to the development of this plan is for districts and stakeholders to be led through a process that answers key questions. At level 1, it's who are we in the district? Level 2, where do we want to go? Level 3, how will we know when we've arrived? Level 4, the district takes over with the plan developed, and how do we plan to get there? That's level 4 and 5. Also on this slide, you see the groups responsible. After the large community meeting, the various stakeholders now take part in this process to answer question 1, level 1 and 2, the questions who are we and where do we want to go. That's the planning team. That's 20 to 25 various stakeholders, half school district, half community members, and their job over on the right in green under outcomes will be to look at and or revise the beliefs, mission, and vision, and to develop strategic goal areas with strategic priorities listed under those goal areas. At level 3, once the planning team is done, the action team takes over, and those are teams for each goal area. For example, if a school district had 4 goal areas, they would have 4 separate action teams, usually 5 to 7 people for each goal area. This is usually school district staff with some school level staff involved at the action teams, and they develop the performance objectives. Eventually, the planning teamwork and the action teamwork is taken to the Board of Education, and at the dotted line, this is what the school board adopts as the strategic plan. Then level 4 and 5, under the superintendent's direction, are key staff members that focus on initiatives and action steps.